Hello friends, my name is Rahul Rade. I am from Team 9 Khargar. In this video, I am going to teach about how to create a web-based application in .NET by using Webapp. In this app, I will go to teach contact formers how to create. So let's get started. Then here we are. I have opened the Visual Studio 22. Then let's click on New Create Project. In this, we have I am using the C sharp and the type of the application is web. So select web app. In this web app, we are going to select the ASP.NET Core web app. After in that, we can give any name to create a project name. So I will let it be. After in this web app, we are using .NET framework. We don't need a HTTP. Yes. After next, it will create automatically the web-based application and tables. I will pause the sharing, it take a time. Now it's open and created a solution folder like this. In this solution folder, it's created web-based application. In this page, there is pages folder. In this pages, we can see the Razor pages. In that, the index.cs.html is the main pages. So page is a we are using another page, and at the rate model is the model name admins, and view data is the title of the browser as we see in the top of corner. In the solution explorer, inside the page we have shared folder. Is this contains the layout.cs.html. In this HTML, it's like contact form. Already it's created in web-based application, like it's use head, body, and it's also use the bootstrap also. So we don't have any extra effort to create this form. In this form, it's automatically generate our navbar, as we can see the navbar. So to run this application, we have to use the IIS Express. Just click on IIS Express and run this application. It will start debugging, and it will automatically open the browser. It's taking time. I will pause the recording. It's open. Now you can see the it's created our web-based application like home, and we are in the home, and it's privacy pages. As we can see, the privacy is created, and it has some content written by the .NET. So in this, we can see the privacy page. It's here, and it's written the policy privacy. It is the view on the top of the corner. So it has written data like use pages, and we can see the actual code or the written by the .NET. It has just a get method, post method. So we are focusing on the, and its layout used in the navbar, like the privacy page, and the name is privacy. And we have to create a new page for contact us. So click on new, add, add item, then click on Razor page empty, give a name, click on next. In this page, it's create automatically at that page and model. At that page it means we are not going to use controller. So it is the name, and we now we can create a contact form, like creating div class type container. Class type. After that container, we have create a form. For that form, which has a method post. We are going to post in the form. We have give us the field which are required, like label. Inside label we give a for to specify f name, to write that first name. After that we need input fields. We have to give id and type for this input field. So we are getting a name, so type is text type. I am using the id like same f name, then the name which likes it's like a placeholder. First name. Now close the input tag and create a space. For that we use br tag. To save our time, just copy paste. Just going with three fields like first name, last name, and message. So last name like L. It also has type text. Now afterwards we have to give like uh, message type. So we are using the message id. So name it's like message. After that we need a submit type button. So add input tag put type submit. After that we give a value submit. It will on the button. Close the input tag and afterwards give a space. So I use br tag. It's generate only the form. So we are getting the form as well as we have to display the data on the web application. For that we right click on view code. It has only get on get method, so we have to get post method create post. Before that we have to create variables like a public boolean as data. It is for if the user has a data, then it's not has a data, then it shows the false statement, so it's not going to give any output. Afterwards, like we are using the first name last name, so I will create and I will pause for recording. As we can see, the I have given the data fields like input, the last name, first name. So it's QE error because we are creating outside the class. So we have to write the all in method inside the class. After that, we have to get on the post method. So it has a method as a data, then set as to true. So I have to fetch data. So we have to give a key to the form. First name equals to request request dot form, and give a name like we have a name like first name. Sorry for data connection problem. Now we are here at a first name, so we are giving first name. After that the second field was our last name. It also helps to type request dot form last. It's automatically generate message type, but our key is not capital, so it make it small. So it is in the get post on post method. Click on view page. Now our contact form is done. So if you want to get a data in front page, so we have to use if model at the rate if inside that model dot has data. It means user has input data, then it can reflect. For that we use just only passage tag. Inside we write hello. Now we have to show the username, so use model dot first name. It show the first name user entered. After that we need last name dot last name. It show the last name, and for the message same like this, rate p and the rate model dot message, and we have to write some data like we got your message, so it will display on the web browser. So one thing is left, as we have to add our contact form on the navigation bar. So we have to go in the navigation layout dot, that we just copy and paste. We need contact form So we have to give URL for that contact. Now we can this button will automatically start and debug our browser. So it automatically open. It's taking time. Now you can see the contact form. In the contact form, when we click, it's open the contact form. Wait a minute. Now we click on contact us form. It's open contact us form. So we have enter data Rahul. When you click on submit button, it shows the hello Rahul Reddy, and we got a message like in that hello. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.